Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase the Bonfire token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase your BNB on Binance, transfer it over to the smart chain on Trust Wallet, and then swap that over to the Bonfire token. Now, I'd like to just let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency videos coming out on a daily basis. So if you guys are interested in the new upcoming cryptocurrencies and how to purchase them and things like that, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I will have daily videos teaching you guys and stuff how to use cryptocurrencies, how to sell them and things like that. Anyhow, let's get started with this video. So just follow along step by step and I'll show you guys how to purchase the Bonfire token. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. Once you guys have your BNB into your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, all you guys want to do is head over to the link I have in the description. It'll just be over to the BSC scan part of the website for Bonfire. This is where we're going to copy the contract ID. So we're just going to scroll down here and click on copy beside the contract ID. Head back over to our Trust Wallet and open that up. Once we're back in the Trust Wallet here, we want to go to the top right of the screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Click on that, and we're just going to paste that address that we got from BSC Scan into the search bar here. Once we do that, we will see the Bonfire coin pop up here. We just want to click on Enable and click on Done. Once you guys have done that, we're going to have to add the browser to the bottom of the app. If you guys already have the browser on the bottom of your app, you guys can just skip along in this video a little bit. If you don't, you have to go to the second link I have in the description. It'll be over to the Trust Wallet website, and it'll show you guys step by step what you have to do to enable your dapp browser. All you guys have to do is click on the link on step 1. It'll open up this little pop-up here asking you to open it in Trust Wallet, and then it will add the browser into your Trust Wallet, so it's very, very easy to do. Once you guys have the browser, though, you can go back over to Trust Wallet, and all we have to do is go ahead into Browser and go over to Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time on Pancakeswap, you have to connect your wallet to Pancakeswap, and to do that, you just want to go to the top of your screen where it says Connect, click on Connect, and then click on Trust Wallet. It will then show your wallet ID in the top when you're fully connected, and you'll know you're connected when you see your balance of your BNB Smart Chain in your exchange here. And for whatever reason, if you guys don't see your BNB balance here, just make sure that you guys sent it to your Smart Chain wallet. If you did send it to your BNB wallet by mistake, just go to your BNB wallet, click on it, click on the dots, and then click on Transfer or Swap to Smart Chain. Then your balance will then show in here. So yeah, guys, just make sure you transfer it over to your Smart Chain. It'll be a lot easier. It'll save you a lot of time. Anyways, once you guys are done doing that, you want to click on Select a Currency and paste in the address. Once you guys do that, you can see Bonfire right here. Just go ahead and click on Add and then click on Bonfire. Now, one thing that I would recommend you guys do as well is playing with your slippage tolerance. I usually keep mine on 12 when I purchase these coins. You guys can play around with it, though. I've had some purchases go through at 6. I've had some purchases go through at 10. So you just have to really play around with it. I just find 12% is a very good middle ground. It works most of the time. But change your slippage tolerance if you would like to, is just go to these 3 lines right here, click on it, and then just change it right here. I would recommend 12. But once you guys are done doing that, you can exit out, and all you have to do now is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Bonfire token. So let's just say if I want to transfer 0.2 BNB, I can go ahead and type that in here, and then it'll show me how much of the Bonfire token I will receive in exchange. If you guys are okay with what you see here, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should say swap or purchase there for you once you have the balance. And then it'll bring you over to another screen showing you guys your fees and your conversion rate and things like that. Now, if you guys are okay with those fees that you see there as well, you can go ahead and click on confirm or swap. And then if you exit out of Pancakeswap and go to your wallet, you should see your Bonfire token come into your wallet, usually within a couple minutes, depends on the liquidity. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the Bonfire token in your Trust Wallet. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.